Hello guys, welcome to another live stream. So we have today's London session low here. So I'm waiting for the first presentation fair value gap to form. So we have this bearish fair value gap here on a 15-minute chart. So this is today's opening range, guys. So we almost had 160 points gap open. And equilibrium is somewhere here. So we are still in a consolidation. So this is the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I just marked the 4 quadrants in this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So we have a volume imbalance here and a 5-minute chart. This gap where there is no body, this is the volume imbalance. Equilibrium 348. Okay. So till now, price is just consolidating here. You can see this opening candle. It did not give us any clear direction. It's just manipulated both downside and upside. So there is no body. So if we want to see a rejection from this 15-minute fair value gap, we want this swing low to be taken out. Then we can target this London session low. $64.50. 35 plus 41.75. So price is still in very tight consolidation. You can see these all overlap candles. All the candles are overlapping each other. So sorry, why NQZ, right? I need to know the NQZ. Okay, now it is clear. Okay. Sorry guys, I was looking the September contract yet. I did not shift to this December contract. I just forgot. This is the London low, right? Yeah, this is the London low. Need to plot this here at 9:01. We have some. So now we have a rejection from midpoint of this 15-minute fair value gap. But now we need to see some momentum and shift in market structure for the confirm the bearishness. So I went 2 lots short, and my target would be this London low. So we have a shift in market structure here with a bearish fair value gap. So this is a 15, 15-second bullish fair value gap, first presentation on a 15-second chart. We have a volume imbalance here on a 1-minute chart. So we have a rejection from this 1-minute volume imbalance. I added one more lot here. So we have our first presentation fair value gap here. This will be a breakaway gap. So this is the accumulation and this is the manipulation part. And now this is the distribution part. So we have this bearish fair value gap on a 1-minute chart. So we want to see, okay, in case if price want to visit this bearish fair value gap, we want to see price remain in the lower half, 50% of this bearish fair value gap. We don't want to see price go beyond this 50% of this bearish fair value gap. So price is coming back to visit this bearish fair value gap. So we want to see price remain below 50% of this bearish fair value gap. We want to see price remain below in this 50% in the lower half of this bearish fair value gap. So I'm just adjusting my stop loss. So on a 5-minute chart, we had a very good expansion. So now we want price to come and tag our London session low. In case if price wants to come back up, this will be your balanced price range. It should not go beyond this. So we are almost there, guys. 10 points shy of our target. So always when price is coming to take out the sell side liquidity, it will try to entice more buyers thinking that this is a support and people start buying longs here. Price will just go back and come back and take the sell side liquidity again. So on a 1-minute chart, we have this bearish fair value gap. So now price is coming back to the sell side liquidity. You might even tag these lows, guys. These lows are very smooth. So so price is again enticing more buyers. We are inside this 1-minute bearish fair value gap. So we have equal highs here coupled with the bearish fair value gap. So price can come up and tag these equal highs. So whoever put their stop losses here, they are killed. So now price took out this swing high and killed all the sellers here. Now we want price to remain below this balanced price range. So once price closes below this balanced price range, I will add one more lot to the shorts. Did we had any divergence? Divergence, no divergence. Price even did not tag this equilibrium here. So price hit my stop loss, guys. I should have taken partial here. So price hit my stop loss. So now we have equal lows here. So in case if price closes again below this first presentation fair value gap on 15-second chart, I will try to go short again. But right now, I'll wait. So far we have rejection from this first presentation fair value gap, but we need to see a momentum from here. Momentum candle and move away from this first presentation fair value gap. So far bodies are within this first presentation. Only wicks went outside of this first presentation fair value gap. I'm adding one lot. Stop loss above this rejection block. I added two more lots. The reason being the bodies are respecting this first presentation fair value gap. So once price closed below this first presentation bullish fair value gap on a 15-second chart, I added 2 more lots. Once price closes again below this 5-minute balance price range, I will add 1 more lot. So now we are inside this 15-second bearish fair value gap. So we want to see a strong rejection inside this bearish fair value gap. And we want to see price close below this 5-minute balanced price range here. On a 5-minute chart, we are inside the first presentation bearish fair value gap. So once price closed below this first presentation, bodies closing inside this 15-second bearish fair value gap, balance price range, first presentation, added 1 more lot. So we need to close below this zone, guys. This is the 5-minute balance price range. So we need to close below this with the body. The price is still consolidating inside this balanced price range on a 5-minute chart. So we want to see a closure below this with the body. So we went back into a 15-second bearish fair value gap. Now we want to see a closure below this balance price range, this zone, on this 5-minute chart. So price is still unable to cross this balanced price range. But on a 5-minute chart, we can see the bodies are respecting this first presentation bearish fair value gap. This is not looking good for the longs, guys. We need a closure, strong rejection from here, or else we might take 1 more loss. I just reversed my position, guys. We can see the bodies are respecting this 5-minute balanced price range. So that is the reason I reversed my trade. Now we are inside this first presentation fair value gap. If we want to remain bullish, we need to close strongly above this first presentation fair value gap, indicated by this blue zone. So we have 3 more seconds for this candle closure. So we closed above this first presentation fair value gap, which is a good indication. And my stop loss would be below this candle. Since we are above this first presentation fair value gap, I don't want to see price come back below this. So this is again midpoint of this 15-minute fair value gap. If price is unable to close above this 15-minute midpoint of this 15-minute fair value gap, indicated by this red line, we need to close above this midpoint, guys. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the bearish fair value gap. I have plotted all the quadrants. If we want to remain bullish, we need to close above this 50%. But price is struggling to close above this 50%. Price again closes below this first presentation fair value gap, I will kill my trade. I want price to remain above this first presentation for bullishness. So we are at the midpoint of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. For the bullishness, we need to close above this strongly. So we have a good closure above this midpoint. Just take some partials, guys. So the reason I went long was price. You can see this price respected this 5 minute, again reclaimed 5 minute bullish fair value gap. You can see bodies never went below this. Bodies were just at the midpoint of this 5 minute balance price range, and that was the reason I again reversed my trade and went long. So price has hit my first partial, but due to spread, I think it did not give me. Okay, so now we took my first partial. My first partial is hit. Yes, I just adjust my stop loss. We are almost there, guys, for the second partial. It almost touched our second partial. So we took our second partial. So we took two losses, guys. Both of them were in profit, but couldn't bank on partials. So that is the reason I took two losses. But the entire thing is recovered. Now we are net positive today. Yeah, we are net $2,000 up. So price might go beyond this swing high, but I just want to quit my trade once price reaches the swing high, and I will uh, stop my live stream. Guys, if any, I don't know how many people are watching this session. If anybody of you is watching, please comment. Please give your opinion. Oh, sorry. Oh my, why this is coming? Okay. So we are inside this bearish fair value gap. Guys, I just want to kill my trade here. I don't have the mental capital to continue because I already took 3 trades. This is the 3rd trade. That's it, guys. That's it for today's session. So these 2 trades were in profit, but I couldn't take partials, so that's the reason I lost it. But then my direction was right, so I recovered the entire loss. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.